Ekitongole kya Bwindi mu Gahinga Conservation Trust ombugufu ekirikumanywa nka BMCT kikatandika omwaka gw'endanena nekigendererwa ekyokulinda ebyobuhangwa mu Gahinga Gorilla hamwe na Bwindi Impenetrable National Parks. Ebire bibiri nebimanywa munonga ahabwokuba eka ya ekichweka ekyenyamishwa ezirukumanywa nk'empundu ezirikushangwa omunshozi omuri burengerwizoba bw'ihanga lya Uganda. Omukoro ogwo gubasize kwetabibwaho Minister wa State ahabw'ebyoburambuzi Martin Mugara Bahinduka abirajwekere Honorable Kano Retired Tom Butime ari Minister w'ebyoburambuzi n'ebyenyamishwa otireho ebyomumaizi omwihanga ahari Rushaga Gorilla Camp omuri Rubiguri Town Council. Bwanyuma yo kwakira abantu aba bashobora embera igumangine y'amagara gabo gatwire ngarabamo korugano bafururwa okwihombebera obwo harimo nkoburaro bubi no butahikwaho buhereza.
Ntungire itaka habwa trust na MDCD batombekere amaju turi abantu kamunani ngenu nico turi kusima ekitongore kya trust ekituhera itaka kikatuha amaju kikatuha amezi ngenu turi kusima tutine bugarukiro
okwe kurena ngo mutuyambe kutumbakira amaju tugabene amaju tugine sonka mwenu cyo bushashi burigwemo kejyo kutureberera kandi ababutocibwe tawe burakora mwirima gwaba gutimbire abana bari kukira kwitera habishika barahutara.
Honorable Martin Mugara Bahinduka or Minister wa State w'ebyoburambuzi asima b'ekitongole kya BMCT abo murimo murungi yo gubakozero mu mashomero ko kushomesa abana babatwa ekindurire kimwe amagara gabo ahabwo burungi nabikira bengu hakiriho buremezi nk'abana bakurwa mu mashomero okutwariza endaro hamwe n'ebindi omubatwa.
And I want to thank the trust for the good work. We visited the school, found the batwa in the school, very interesting. Of course, there was a bit of worry, like you clearly said, most of them drop out somewhere in the middle to go get married. But I think we'll just continue talking to the batwa and giving them such incentives so that they can maybe have a better life and therefore benefit from the other government projects.
Honorable Martin Mugara yashobora ngu BMCT ekatandikwaho government ya Uganda kandi yasima mnonga abatwa abwogumzamu bakwatanisa na government ya Uganda.
This trust, I didn't see Wilberforce bringing it out clearly, but I know it was in the ED's speech he did speak. Because this trust was started by the government of the Republic of Uganda. Yes. It is very important that comes out clear. And even the board that runs the fund is appointed by the Minister of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities. So it is a government fund. But of course, with the mainly assistance from the partners.
Mugara yashobora ngu abatwa bakafururwa kwihombe biro mu myaka ya 1930 kwetorori hanga konka emyanya yabire y'obukomoko bwabo eshemerire okuziturwa ebase kukozesebwa nk'ebyoburambuzi kibase kureta entasiyo mu ihanga lya Uganda kandi akasenta kararugemo nabo bakatungeho habwa amagara gabo.
In the forests that we can protect and maybe add onto the tourism packages for the people to visit, and maybe then we can have a discussion, because now you see it is indeed true that these people derive their livelihood while staying in these very protected areas. But of course the Muzungu, I think in the 1930s when they were gazetting these protected areas, of course it would be much more beneficial for the whole world to conserve these parks and then have the batwa out.
Tumwesije Wilberforce ari Executive Director wa BMCT na shobora ebirungi ebibase kubane bihikwaho bwanyuma y'ekibine eki okutandika ari kushobora ngo kigendererwa cyabo no kurebeka ngo abantu abari kutura hino irindiro ry'enyamishwa hirya Bwindi n'erya mu Gahinga babasa kuherwa bamanyo kubakubasa kurinda ebyobuhangwa hamwe n'ebetoroire
ahabwe bigendererwa bishatu. Ecyo kubanza okukorana abaturage abayitorira amahamba abiri irya Bwindi n'erya mu Gahinga okugira ngo batunguke omubyentasiya yabo amisho bagiha by'amahamba bagate ahantunguke yabo nk'abantu haza bakurinda amahamba.
Dr. James Musinguzi, Executive Director wa Uganda Wildlife Authority, yayoreka okushemererwa kandi no kwatanisa n'ekibine kya UWA okukorerana hamwe n'ekibine kya BMCT na mnonga omukurinda ebyobuhangwa nk'amalindiro g'enyamishwaga atyo yashaba gavumenti ku ebitahamu ahasimire ekibine kya BMCT abo kwatanisa n'abari kurinda amalindiro g'enyamishwa na n'ekigendererwa ekyokubutura omutindo gw'emiturire y'amagara g'abatwa.
Putting at the front line the communities, and therefore we want to pledge that we shall continue supporting Bwine Mugahinga Conservation Trust.
BMCT ekatanduka omwaka gwa 1994 korugana etandukwaho ebase kuhwera abantu abengi okubafurira okubiiha mu malindiro g'enyamishwa mu district nke ya Rubanda, Kisoro hamwe na Kanungo. Gasha kwa Adonia Ayebare ahabwa Tayari West.